Welcome everybody to How To University, and I am your lead instructor of HTU, Damani Norwood. And today I'm going to show you guys how to remove a Gmail address from your cell phone. All right. So if you guys are like me, I have several email addresses for different reasons. And so I have all those things on the phone, and at times, or it might be a time where I need to remove one because I'm not really using it, or I have no use for it anymore to be on my phone. So I'm going to remove that particular Gmail address. All right. So the way you do that, wherever it is positioned on your phone, you want to look for this little, the Gmail app. All right. So I'm going to click in here because that's where I have all the Google related apps, and I'm going to tap into that. And this box comes up, and this is the app that I'm concerned with. I'm focused on is the Gmail app to remove a Gmail address. So I'm going to tap onto that. All right. And if you have several email addresses, Gmail, whatever Gmail you have set up to be your primary address is what's going to pop up as soon as you click on that Gmail app. All right. So before I continue on, I want to let you guys know that if you have any questions or comments, or if there's anything else you would like to learn, you can always email me at howtouniversityonline@gmail.com. All right. howtouniversityonline@gmail.com. All right. So let me go back real quick and recap really fast. This is the app everybody you're concerned with. All right. The Gmail app. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring you to your Gmail address that is your primary address. So now the next thing to do is those three lines there. You want to tap on that on the upper left or wherever it's positioned on your phone. All right. And then of course it pulls this up. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. All right. So I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom to as far as it can go. And the next thing you want to do is you want to click anywhere in here for settings. You want to click settings. All right. So let me do that right now. And this is what pops up. All right. As I said before, I have several Gmail addresses, as you guys can see here. All right. And the one that I'm concerned with today is this one at the bottom. All right. I want to get rid of that one. So the way to do that is you want to tap on now to these three little dots on the top right, or wherever it's positioned on your phone. Okay. And then you have a choice. You have help and feedback and manage accounts. All right. So what I want to do is click on manage accounts, and I'm going to do that right now. And when you do that, this is what pops up. Some of you guys will have something similar or exactly the same or slightly different, but what you want to be concerned with next is this right here. All right. The Google. All right. That right there. So this is what I'm going to click on next. And once you do that, it brings you back to all the Gmail accounts that you have. And again, like I said, I have several Gmail accounts all over here. And what I'm going to do is scroll down to the bottom because this is the one I want to remove. All right. So the way you do that is you go ahead and you tap on that, and this is what pops up. Okay. And so now what you want to deal with is you want to tap on these three dots on the upper right. And I'm going to do that right now. And now you have two choices. All right. You have sync now, and you have remove account. So of course, what I want to do is I want to remove this particular Gmail account. So I'm going to tap on anywhere inside there. And it's going to give you a box that says remove account. All right. See that right there? Remove account. All messages, contacts, and other data in this account will be removed from your phone. All right. Then it's going to say cancel. Do you want to cancel that request, or do you want to continue with removing that request? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap in that remove. All right. So I'm going to do that right now and give it a few seconds, and it's disappeared. So as you see here, it's no longer on this page. All right, you see it's no longer here. All right, so it's as simple as that. That's how you remove a Gmail address or a Gmail account. If you have multiple ones, that's how you remove them from off your phone. All right. So once again, I want to thank you guys for checking out How To University. Be sure to go to payhip.com/howtouniversity to get your downloaded video courses. All right. And continue to watch How To University. Once again, I am Damani Norwood, and I'm gone. Peace.